In the big garage, this is what we call a big garage. There's a English wheel, planching hammer, powder coat oven, CNC table. There's our welding cart right here in front of us with a bunch of welders on it. And these are our work tables out here. Another roller table we take out to the 58. Another cart, batteries, etc. Take you across here and this morning. And there she is over there in the corner. That's our 34 Chevrolet 4-door sedan, Master Sedan, air ride, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, 350, 700 R4, and it's on Ride Tech air ride all the way around. That's our 41 Ford pickup truck. It's undercover for right now. And we're going to go over next door here and take a look at the 71 just for a minute before we come back up and take a look at the 58. Okay, here we are in the shop. That's the back of the 71. Been working on it, haven't done anything with it here in a couple of months, but we added the C notches, moved the gas tank back here to the back from behind the seat. Probably a pretty good idea. The bed of the truck is up. We'll show that to you in a few minutes because it's all brand new. This is the inside of the 71. So there's the seats. Got a door off of it right now. I'll show you that in a minute. I've got a new door for it. And we're still running the inline 6. In the process of putting a Holley EFI system on it. 2300. Some of the wiring strewn about over there. We have a 5960 Impala Dash sitting here. Our thought is we'd like to put that in this 71 here. That's a big job. Have to take the windshield out, etc. To do an awful lot of that. And a little work table back here. Bought some tool carts and tool chests, etc. Let's go take a look at the 58 and see if we can. We'll be back on this 71 here soon. Bed for the 71, brand new bed, AMD sides and everything except tailgate. Yeah, we bought the new tailgate on it. And so that's all covered up, new wet bed wood in it. Here is the 58 that we're going to be working with. Still playing with the camera here, kids. All right, this is the 58. We call her Betty B. We are putting air ride on it. Got to button up those lower control arms. That's a project for this coming weekend. Here's some of the interior. Been playing with our Ridgeline console to be part of this project. Trying to decide exactly whether to put the power assist steering on here or not. We haven't really decided on that. We have A lot of work to do, but we've got a pretty decent start on it. Got to finish rust proofing all this in here. We got a lot of work to do out here. So get this all cleaned up on that firewall. Got a little bit of body work to do, and we'll be doing that as we move along here. So